That's your view, that.
It's not my
Hindi
view
ka
only, Mr. Chair.
dumaan
Thank you for
hindi ka
putting it on the
dumaan
record.
pagka-mayor, pagka-prosecutor. Ako, alam ko, dumaan ako, prosecutor, mayor, presidente, alam ko ang trabaho ko.
Yes,
Yan
salamat
ang totoo
kayo, Mr.
dyan.
Chair.
Hindi ka nagdala ng syudad eh. You never
Totoo
had
po,
a
Mr.
chance
Chair.
to solve the problem of a community.
So, do you assume responsibility for the death of Kian De Los Santos, Mr.
No.
Chair? No. How about
Ala-
si Carl
Alam mo,
Anthony
ma'am,
Nunez?
before you rumble on those many things.
No, I'm not rambling, Mr. Chair. Very specific yung mga tanong ko.
Specific ang law. Guilt is personal. Tanong ko muna ng abogado.
Okay lang po. Kayang-kaya kong magtanong sa abogado.
Oh,
Sige,
tanong ka
itanong
muna
ko
ngayon
po.
before we proceed.
No.
Hindi tayo
I
magkakaintindihan
have prepared
dito.
these questions with my
Guilt
legislative
is
staff.
personal.
Yes, it's very personal.
Hindi
So,
mo pwedeng ipasa sa iba yan.
No, hindi po ito pagpasa.
Ah,
Iniimbestiga
kaya nga.
po ng Blue Ribbon yung war on drugs at yung naging, pati ng former president, yung shock ng lahat. Bakit, sir, yan ba ang trabaho ng pulis? Na pumatay ng mga suspected criminals? Sir, yung mic nyo.
Pag dumaban. Bakit
Iba
sila
po yung pagka-express kasi kanina, so I had to clarify.
Bakit
Salamat,
sila-
SP Pro Tempore.
bakit sila
Salamat, Mr.
makamatay?
Chair. No. Hindi yan ang tanong ko. Talagang, napaka hindi magandang impression po ng mga statements kanina. Kaya I appreciate the candor of Yusek Kuy at pati kanina ni General Danao
Look, ma'am,
about it.
may I
Salamat kayo, Mr.
interrupt
Chair.
you?
I'm done, Mr. Chair, for now.
Kindly.
Go ahead, sir.
Itong mga to, ma'am, galing ito ng mga sa Academy PMA. Hindi ito mga bubo. Hindi rin ito papayag na utusan mo ng illegal. Doon yan sa Academy nila, sa PMA, they are from there to, yung ano talaga yung batas. Kaya pag inutusan mo yan, sabihin mo, patayin mo, sabihin, sir, mukhang hindi pwede yan, sir. I tried. Ako mismo, I tried. Ako, marami akong patay mo, sir. Kulong mo na lang natin, sir. Total. Sabi ko siya, siguraduhin mo lang na hindi ma-release. Kasi gagawa ng kalukuhan yan uli. And they will mag-hold up na naman yan. Yan ang lalo na yung mga kaso na magnakaw, tapos mag-rape, tapos magpatay, o
Mr. Chair.
Can we let the President complete his sentence? What were you trying to say, sir? That
Yes,
pagka mag-rape, magpatay, magnakaw, magpatay, and then what do we do with them?
ganun na lang ang sadness ko sa trabaho ko.
Thank you.
Kaya hindi ko lang sinabi ko yan kasi hindi ko lang sila mautusan ng gano'n na gaya na sinabi ko, putang ina, nag-rape ng bata, yan pinatay, patayin mo. Hindi ko mautusan itong mga to. Sabi ko, karamihan sila PMA, hindi maniwala yan ganon. Sabi man, sir, mahirap yan. Kulungin na lang natin, sir. Walang dumaan yan sila sa... There was never a time na sinabi ko, patayin ninyo yan. Minsan yung harap-harapan sa crime scene, nakita ko yung bata, 3 years old, rape, patay, tapos nandoon yung tiyuhin. O sinabi ko, putang, patayin mo. Out of outrage. In the moment of outrage yung, putang, patayin mo. Sir, kulungin na lang natin yan, sir.
Ano nangyari doon, Mr. President? Yung insidente na yun, napatay nga yung tito? Pinatay? Hindi.
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 Mr. Chair.
Yes, Senator Risa.
Alam na alam ko po na matatalino ang mga taga-Philippine Military Academy. Hindi po yan ang issue. Ang kinaklarify ko po ay kanina sinabi nyo na in-encourage nyo ang PNP na i-encourage yung suspect na lumaban
Yes.
para mapatay, para
Yes.
masabing nanlaban.
Correct.
Correct.
Para
That was a very
ma-minimize.
incorrect.
Correct, yes.
Very incorrect po, if I may
Yes,
say, as a
it's not,
civilian, sa
okay,
professional police.
It
Salamat
depends
kayo,
on,
Mr. Chair.
ano na natin yan, ma'am. That's your view, that. Mine.
It's not my
Hindi
view
ka
only, Mr. Chair.
dumaan
Thank you for
hindi ka
putting it on
dumaan
the record.
Pagka-mayor, pagka-prosecutor. Ako, alam ko, dumaan ako prosecutor, mayor, presidente, alam ko ang trabaho ko.
Yes,
Yan ang
salamat kayo,
totoo
Mr.
dyan.
Chair.
Hindi ka nagdala ng syudad eh. You never
Totoo
had
po,
a
Mr.
chance
Chair.
to solve the problem of a community.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you for
Senator
putting it on
Hindi
record,
tayo
Mr. Chair.
magkaintindihan dyan.
Senator Estrada has the floor.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
At
Alam
kung
niyo,
pabalikin ako, sir, gagawain ko uli yan. Dublado.
Your Honor,
silence please.
Osaa, silence the gallery and those who will do that again, exclude them from the hearing hall.
Gallery, please do not encourage me.
At hindi ko po na-appreciate ang napaka-casual na mga sagot ni dating presidente tungkol sa patayan. At tumatawa at pumapalakpak pa ang ilang kasama dito sa session hall. So siguro, tigilin na natin yung nakasanayan natin na normalize at gawing katatawanan ng patayan. Sir, sabi nyo, when you are confronted by a criminal, you must overcome the resistance. Ibig po ba sabihin na lahat ng na EJK may barel? Kasi kung gano'n, nasa na po kaya yung mga barel? Dapat may libo-libo ng barel sa custody ng PNP. Do you have any thought on that?
No, that is you're asking somebody somewhere or to make an accounting which is not possible. That your question cannot be answered here.
All right, sir. So, but I think it can be questioned kung hindi nyo kayang i-address, itatanong po namin sa PNP. Sabi nyo rin po kanina, you take full legal responsibility for the consequences of the drug war.
Yes.
Kanina rin,
Yes.
kanina rin sabi nyo maraming mali. No? So, halimbawa, si Kian De Los Santos, menor de edad, hindi armado, nagmamakaawa, pero pinatay ng mga pulis sa drug war.
Oh.
Do you take responsibility for the death of Kian De Los Santos?
The criminal act, hindi naman siguro.
The death. You take
responsibility.
responsibility for his death.
Walang maniwala na abogado sa akin yan. That
Hindi
would
po,
be
sir.
a long shot.
Hindi po abogado. Nandito pa lang tayo
I
sa
was
Senado, hindi sa
referring
Korte.
to the policy na ginawa ko para sa mga pulis.
Yes, sir. At nagbunga yung polisiya.
I take full responsibility
Yes,
for
and
that.
what about yung bunga ng polisiya na libo-libong namatay kasama si Kian De Los Santos? Do you also take full responsibility for that? Because in October 2020, na-quote po kayo na sinabi nyo, if there's killing there, I'm saying I'm the one. You can hold me responsible for anything, any death that has occurred in the execution of the drug war. Nung October ulit, October 21, nung 2021 naman, in a Reuters interview, kinwote kayo na sinabing, if there is any person who is going to prison, it would be me. I assume full responsibility. So, do you assume responsibility for the death of Kian De Los Santos, Mr.
No.
Chair? No. How about
Ala-
si Carl
Alam mo, ma'am,
Anthony Nunez?
before you rumble on those many things,
No, I'm not rambling, Mr. Chair. Very specific yung mga tanong ko.
the specific ang law, guilt is personal. Tanong ka muna ng abogado.
Okay lang po. Kayang-kaya kong magtanong sa abogado. Sige,
tanong ka
itanong
muna
ko
ngayon
po.
before we proceed.
No.
Hindi tayo
I
magkakaintindihan
have prepared
dito.
these questions with my
Guilt
legislative
is
staff.
personal.
Yes, it's very personal.
Hindi
So,
mo pwedeng ipasa sa iba yan.
no, hindi po ito pagpasa.
Ah,
Iniimbestiga
kaya nga.
po ng Blue Ribbon yung war on drugs at yung naging bunga na extrajudicial killings dyan. And I am basing my question dun sa mga sinabi ninyo repeatedly parang tuwing Oktubre nga sinasabi nyo na you will take responsibility.
Correct.
So yes, so now let me ask you about Carl Anthony Nunez, 20 years old. Walang nahanap na droga o baril sa katawan niya. Sabi nga ng investigador, mistaken identity. Do you take responsibility for his death? Ang tanong ko po ay, if you take responsibility, as you said in October 2020, as you said in October 2021 about assuming responsibility for the war on drugs, do you take responsibility for the death of Carl Anthony Nunez, Mr. Chair?
Alam mo, yung policy, ma'am, hindi mo nakuha yung yung policy ng presidente.
Nakuha ko po, policy
I
maker
was
din po
talking
ako.
about the policy. I take full responsibility yung sinabi ko na war on drugs.
You said,
Pero
sir,
kung
you can hold me responsible for any death.
specific crime,
Yes, sir. You spoke
hindi
about
pwede yan.
you spoke about
At
specific
saka,
crimes.
kung sabihin ko, I will take full responsibility, magdating tayo sa korte, hindi naman tatanggapin yan.
Well, Mr. Chair, and if the resource person could keep his volume and pitch to a normal
Mr. Chair, trying
level.
to pin me down on
Mr. Chair, you are pinned down by your own statements
you
of
cannot.
October.
You have to pin
no,
me
Mr.
down
Chair.
lower.
I'm not trying to pin
it's
you down
lawfully.
on
The
air.
exchanges are no longer productive.
Mr.
The hearing
Chair.
is
Do not pin me
suspended.
down on semantics.
So, i-summarize ko na lang yung unang line of questioning ko. The point of my question tungkol sa assuming responsibility or not kina Kian, Carl Anthony Nunez, itatanong ko rin dapat si Althea Barbon na 4 years old, at si Carl Arnaiz, at si Reynaldo de Guzman alias Kulot, na-confirm sa Caloocan Court na the evidence was merely planted by the police. Ang point ng unang questioning ko na yon ay kung ina-acknowledge nyo o hindi na yung policy nyo caused the death of innocents. So lastly, Mr. Chair, actually may mga 100 tanong pa sana ako sa dating presidente pero na-high blood yata sila sa akin. So 2 huling tanong na lang. Una po. Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ganun lang siguro kasi excited lang ako. First time ako naka-appear ng Senate. But walang personalan yan. It has nothing to do with you, pati yung karakter ko. Yung boses ko lang kasi excited. But if we are offended by the demeanor, then mag-change gear ako. I'll try to do it with moderation.
Salamat kaayo, Mr.
Continue, ma'am.
Chair.
Continue.
Salamat kaayo, Mr. Chair.
At saka,
Hindi,
sandali, ma'am.
Mr.
Ganito,
Chair.
and I'm addressing lahat kayo. Taga-probinsya po ako. Hindi ninyo pwede akong masumo na paulit-ulit. Pag ginawa ninyo yan, isnabin ko kayo. Wala akong pera. I am not that rich na mag-travel dito sa aeroplano. Mahal yan. I am... bubuhay ako sa retirement pay ko. So, pati itong pamasahe ko, retirement pay ko yan. Wala akong negosyo ever since. Gobyerno lang ako. I have been an employee of government ever since. Kaya, I do not have my public life is open to everybody. So, magastos masyado, ma'am. Kaya, kung maari lang, tapusin natin ito hanggang bukas. Huwag na tayong umalis dito.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Salamat kaayo, Mr.
sir.
Chair.
Tapusin talaga natin ito. Tapusin natin ito dito ngayon. Huwag tayong umalis dito hanggang umaga. Umabot man tayo hanggang umaga bukas. Huwag tayong umalis dito. Tapusin natin dito.
Okay, Mr. President, we are prioritizing the questions directed to you. Sige. Senator Ortiveros.
Salamat kaayo, Mr. Chair. So, pangalawang tanong ko, tinawagan nyo ba si Senior Superintendent Padilla para i-congratulate siya sa pagpatay sa 3 high-value targets na Chinese nationals na inilagay sa loob ng Davao Penal Colony? Kasi sinabi nyo daw, congrats Superintendent Padilla, job well done. Pero grabe ang ginawang dinuguan. Do you confirm this, Mr. Chair?
You call Padilla now because he is lying. I do not know him, and I do not have to congratulate this policemen and soldiers. Trabaho ninyo yan. Why do I have to congratulate you? Magtrabaho kayo dyan.
So you do not confirm na tinawagan nyo si
I do not-
Senior Superintendent Padilla?
I only congratulate people with itong mga police daw graduate with honors kasi nagtuturo ako sa Police Academy. May congratulatory message ako. Pero congratulate ako ng ano.
Well, Mr. Chair, of course, absolutely hindi naman natin kailangan investigate yung graduating with honors sa academy. Pero yung EJ case sa war on drugs, kailangan talagang kaya natin iniimbestiga.
Kaya
And,
ma'am, huwag
Mr.
tayong
Chair,
umalis dito sa kwartong ito hanggang matapos ang gusto ninyong kunin sa akin.
well, Mr. Chair, so yung huling tanong ko for today, for the record,
Bakit
ano po?
tinawag
Mr.
ninyo
Chair.
ako dito tapos yan lang ang huli ninyong tanong?
May mga colleagues pa yata tayo, Mr. Chair, na magtatanong sa dating presidente. So, for the record, sinasabi nyo ba na ang mga drug users at drug criminals ay dinideserve nilang mamatay na lang kaysa pumunta sa jail? O para i-paraphrase ko si Patricia Evangelista, do some people need killing, Mr. Duterte?
Ma'am, presidente ako. Nagagastos ako sa gobyerno. Bakit ako magbubuhay sa mga putang inang yan? Kung yung pera na ipapakain ko dyan sa preso, ibigay ko na lang doon sa mga tao dyan sa walang bigas.
So, mas okay
Walang
pong
trabaho.
patayin sila kaysa ipreso
Wala akong pakialam
sila?
dyan sa kriminal, ma'am.
So, thank you for making that of record.
Alam sa kriminal kung saan silang impernong gusto nilang pumunta.
Well, Mr. Chair, for the record,
You make your own history in this planet.
yes, Mr.
Yun
Chair.
ang gusto nilang mangyari. Doon sila sa impyerno at doon tayo magkita.
Well, Mr. Chair, wala namang jurisdiction ng Senado sa impyerno. Dito lang sa bansa natin pwede tayong mag-investigate.
Ba't doon tayo pupunta?
Well, wala po akong ambisyon pumuntang impyerno pa. Pero Mr. Chair, ang
hirain
punto
kita,
lang
ma'am.
nito, ang punto lang nito ay nung magsisimula ang anumang police operations, drug-related police operations, supposed to be at sinabi ng mga resource persons, merong pong manual of operations, merong continuum of force sa pag-enforce implement ng police anti-drug operation. So, ang premise is, yun na nga, arrest muna at build the case. Well, Mr. Chair, no, as a final word, I hope and I imagine that the Department of Justice is watching dahil ang daming admissions ng dating presidente involving criminal acts. Salamat kaayo, kasaysayan na lang po maghuhusga. Salamat kaayo, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Senator
Mr.
Ontiveros.
Chair.
Yes, go ahead, Mr. President.
Nagtataka ako hanggang ngayon ang Justice Department hindi pa nag-file ng kaso hanggang ngayon. Katagal lang. Matagal ako pumapatay ng tao hanggang ngayon hindi pa sila nakapile ng kaso.
Thanks for diving into the world of curiosity with us here at Curiosity Vaults. If today's video sparked your imagination or left you wanting to learn more, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for even more fascinating discoveries. Unlock the mysteries of the world with us in every episode. And remember, stay curious because there's always something new to discover.